Hi friends, welcome to the channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can block unwanted emails on Gmail with your cell phone. Please subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put your likes and also write comments. So, let's get down to our topic. And I will say that this process is quite elementary and will take you literally a few seconds. So first of all, open Gmail on your mobile device. Then find the person who's sending you some messages. If you think it's spam, or if you just don't want to receive any more messages from that user. Then, when you get to that, click on the three dots. Then block. This way, you will block the person who is sending you unwanted emails to your email. At any time, you can unblock that user. Or you can also report that it is spam. Friends, with this very simple action, you can easily block junk emails in Gmail on your cell phone. I hope this video was useful for you, helped you. Write your comments, put your likes, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So, see you soon.